Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix Roblox error code to 60. There was a problem receiving data, please reconnect. So the first thing what you need to do here, you need to open up CMD or command prompt and then run as administrator. And then you need to put the following commands here. First one, ipconfig /DNS. You need to put these commands one by one. And then ipconfig renew, nash int IPv4 reset, nash int IPv6 reset, nash win HTTP reset proxy, and ipconfig register DNS. Now to do so, then basically exit command prompt, and then you need to find your system tray here, and you should find your network and internet access here. And then you need to go to right click on it and go to network and internet settings. And then you need to go to advanced network settings. Then you need to go to more adapter options. And then you need to find your internet that's working without red access on it. And then you need to go to properties. Make sure that Internet Protocol version 6 is disabled. And then you need to double click on Internet Protocol version 4. And then you need to select use the following DNS server addresses. And on preferred DNS server, you just need to write 8.8.8.8, and on alternative DNS server, you just need to write 8.8.4.4, press apply, okay, restart your computer, and the problem should be fixed. Right, so that's pretty much it, and if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care, bye.